If you want to transfer data from iPhone to Motorola Moto G87, then in that case you want to, first of all, open Settings on your Motorola. There we go. Now over here, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find Backup or Copy Data. Then in here we have Copy Data using Android Switch, so let's go ahead and select this, and then in the meantime we can go to the App Store on our iPhone, and then you want to search for Android Switch. We need to download this app on our iPhone in order to be able to, of course, transfer data. So there we go. This is the app that we are looking for. So of course, we're going to open it once you have installed it. Now, on Motorola, we're going to choose to start. Over here, we need to choose iPhone or iPad. And then we need to wait a couple of seconds. There we go. Now we can tap on the next over here. And you have an option to use a cable that fits both your iPhone and your Motorola. If you have such a cable, then you can use it in order to transfer data. But you can also transfer data wirelessly by choosing cable doesn't fit here in the bottom left corner. And then you want to confirm that you want to copy without cable. Then we have this QR code that we can scan on our iPhone. So let's tap on copy data. Most of the time, if this pops up to join a network, you can tap on cancel because most of the time it is an incorrect network. So we're gonna try again afterwards, and then you should be able to scan the QR code and then confirm that you want to join the network. In case it doesn't connect straight away, you might want to go back over here to generate a new network, so like right now over here. And most of the time you can just return and try again to generate another QR code, and then you can try to join the new network once you have the option to scan the QR code once again. And after that, you can choose whatever you want to copy from your iPhone to your Motorola. You can transfer almost everything, but unfortunately not everything is transferable. In some cases, for example, in the case of apps, you cannot really transfer them, so you will have to go to the Play Store on your Motorola and download your apps manually. But once you are ready, once you choose everything that you want to transfer, just tap on continue and then wait for everything to be transferred. Of course, the more files and more data you have to transfer, the longer it's going to take to actually do so. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.